To preserve battery health on Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter battery options. Then we can scroll down to the battery protection, and here we can find options that allows us to preserve our battery health. And how it works, it limits a charging in most of the cases, so your phone won't remain at 100% battery, which damages it over time. So you can turn it on right here and then pick a plan that you want to use. You can go for a basic and then also activate sleep time protection. So basic, what it does basically is you plug in your phone, it starts to charge, then it reaches 100% and the charging stops. Even if your phone is still plugged in. Then it lets it drop the battery to 95% and starts charging again to 100 and repeats that process for eternity, let's say. You can with that activate sleep time protection, which stops charging at 80% while you're asleep and finish charging to 100% before you're gonna wake up. This works great, but if you have sleep patterns, that means you charge your phone usually overnight. So this option is very good if you use it with sleep time protection, but as I said, you need to charge your phone on a regular basis during night. You can go for maximum as well, which allows you to put the limit on the battery on itself, and it will always charge only to 80%, 85, 90 or 95. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.